Hi guys, welcome to Techie Fan of India. My name is Shekhar. We are going to next series of the Python video and the next video of the variable Python variable. In this also we are taking the x as a variable and its value is 21. As we can give more information of this value like x as we are commenting it with the hash as we can see here, and the next value are also we are taking x is equal to in string. So x is small x is only using here twice. Very first we have taken the integer value, and the very second we have taken the value of Chandu, means the string value. First is integer value, second is a string value. So we are printing it, and inside the print we are passing the x value. Let's see which value will print. So after running, as we can see the value of a string, the latest value is only printing here like Chandu inside the code that we can see. So if the variable is same, we are putting again and again the different values, different data type values. It always capture the latest value, whether which data type is used, that doesn't matter. It always uh, access the latest value. So we have seen that here also. And for now we are going to uh, take a new value for like a is equal to float. Inside we are putting the value as integer of 54, and the next value we are taking b, and inside b we can see here the new value as the integer, and inside integer we are passing the value just like the 54. First is a is equal to float 54, and second is b is equal to int 54, and c is we are taking as the string str. Inside we are putting the value of the integer only, but that is the that yeah, integer value only. So we are going to print it value of a, and then printing the value of b, and then printing the value of c. One by one we'll print it, and then we'll run the program. After running the program we can see the output also. So after putting these values, we are running program Python variables. The float one, that value is 54, that is coming here 54.0, and integer is only 54, and string is also having whatever value will there. It have mentioned here 54 only. So we have seen this output from here. If we are talking about the output, the same value as we have used along with the values with the data type, that same as output is shown here as per their data types. So we have done this, and we are going to comment it once more, and we'll try for the next technique also in this variable, because variable is very important. It's whole and soul of passing parameter or argument, whatever is there. Next value we are taking here as like a is equal to 10, and b is equal to uh, sorry, b is equal to, we have taken the double inverted comma. Inside we are writing here Shekhar, and then we have written value of a and b, and going forward we are writing the print value of not value, we are writing the type of a. So as we have taken the value of a is 10, so that will should come in the like integer, and second we are going to print value type of b. B is as we have taken this string, so its type should come into the yeah yeah that's come into the string. So we can we just going to running the program, and then we'll come to know that what kind of output will be shown here. Yeah, we can see first is integer and second is string. Integer is showing the value of a is equal to 10, that is integer, that's the reason it is showing the int. And a string, the value we can see here, that is Shekhar in double inverted comma, that's showing the value of b. So that's all for this. If anything new, we'll try to do it. Thank you.